Gabby, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. Today I have for you exercises to burn belly fat. This is a 12-minute follow along workout. Each exercise is going to be 45 seconds on, giving it your all, followed by a 15-second rest. During that 15-second rest, I'll be showing you the next exercise. Also throughout, there's modifications on the screen if you need to take it down a notch. If you've not already hit subscribe, go ahead, do that right now so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new workout. If you head back to my homepage, there is more ab workouts on there. There's cardio workouts, HIIT workouts, upper body workouts, cool downs, warm-ups. Everything you could ever want is back on my homepage. Just to recap, this is 12 minutes abdominal focused, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Let's give this your all and get that dream body that you want. Starting at the back of your mat, you're going to come into your first exercise, which is on the screen now. Inchworm followed by the knees, pulling in towards the chest. Let's go in 2, in 1. Go, reach the hands up, walk the hands out, go knee, walk the hands back in here, reach all the way up, reach all the way down, go knee and knee. So you're just warming up the spine here, reaching up, reaching down, walking all the way out. If you want to take this slower, feel free while we just wake up the spine, knee, knee. The modification will also be available for this one. Go knee and knee. Keep breathing, inhale. Woo, exhale. Let's get that body nice and warm. Keep going. You've got another 10 more seconds here left to go. Walk out, squeeze in, back. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. You're going to take a quick 15-second breather here. Next, you're going to come in towards your next option, which is on your forearms. So taking those knee lifts and lowers. So you're going to send the feet out. We're going to go lower the knees down, lift the knees up for 2. We go lower the knees for 2, lift, lift. It is so important here. You've got a straight line to your upper body, down, go lift and lift. The hips stay still, that abs stay pulled in. Inhale, exhale, some knees lift and lift, they lower and lower. Now squeeze the abs in, don't let the hips move. If you can feel this in your lumbar spine, lift those hips a little bit higher, maybe tuck the tailbone under. Give me another 8 seconds here to go. Go lift, lift, you got it, lower, lower, we've got 4, woo. You've got it, and break there, well done. Next up, we're gonna come in towards your sit-ups with punches. Bringing your feet in line with the hips. Now we're gonna give this everything here. We're going in 3, in 2, in 1, go. So lower down, punch, punch, and drop. So these are quite fast-paced move here today. We are getting that heart rate nice and high. So we're getting into your fat burning, calorie burning zone. And we are also focusing on your abdominal muscles. 2 in 1, strength work, cardio work can only mean one thing. Better waistline, burning away that fat. Keep going, lift, punch, punch. Punch as heavy as you can. 10 more seconds here left to go. Punch, punch, keep going. 6. Whew. You've got it. Go 4, go 3, go 2, 1. Break there. 15 seconds off. Next up, we're coming in towards your plank jacks. So you want to bring your hands directly under the shoulders. The elbows are straight and the waistline is squeezed in. The feet go out, out. 2, 1, go. Out, in, out, in. Now this is a tough one, so I want you to keep breathing. Again, if you can feel this in your lower spine, tip the hips under, pull your hip bones up to your belly button, maybe lift the hips higher. You don't want to feel this in your back at the bottom. Keep going, I know. I'm right here with you, burning 2. Do not worry about that. Keep going. We have 15 seconds left. Don't forget you have those modified options throughout if you want to take them. 8. Let's get that heart rate high. How bad do we want that new waistline? 3, 2, 1. Break there. 15 seconds off. Next up, Russian twist. Modified option, keep the feet on the floor. If you're joining me, clasp those hands together, lower down, legs up, Russian twist, 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 twist. You may have to close your eyes, like me right now. Twist, twist, you're squeezing elbow down, twisting the waistline. Imagining your waist is wet. It's like a wet towel. Every time you twist, you're getting rid of the water. But really we're going twist, burn the fat away. Twist, burn the fat, twist, burn. Keep going, inhale, exhale. Fight through it. 10 more seconds here. Give me another 8 more seconds. You can so do this. Go 4, go 3, go 2, 1. Well done. 15 seconds off at this point. Next up, plank jump in and out. Tough one, but you so have this. This is a game changer. Go. In, out, in, out. Now I've included this in one of my previous belly burners, I like to call it. And I try sometimes to do my own workouts at home. And I think, how did you get through all of that? Got me speaking. My honest answer, I don't know. Keep going, push back. 15 more seconds. I am with you. We've got this. Keep going. 7. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Another 15-second breather. We have to know we're halfway through. Back into that inchworm with the knee coming in. We're gonna do this in 4. In 3, breathe. 2, 1, reach. Out, in, hands come back in. As you lower down into that point position, squeeze the abs in, belly button up, engage the waist, really engage those rectus abdominals, six-pack areas, you squeeze the knee in. You've got it. How badly do you want that change? I want it so bad. That's why I'm giving this my all. The harder you work, the better results you will get. Give it everything. Squeeze in, 10 more seconds. How high is your heart rate? Are you in that calorie burning zone? 3, 2, 1. Well done. 15-second breather. 15 seconds off. Next, you have that lift and lower of the knees. So I want you to start here on the fleshy part, and then we're gonna go to the toes up. Let's go. Keep going. Lift up for 2, down for 2, up for 2, down for 2. Now really think about this one. Is it hurting your back? If it is, scoop the abdominals under, pull them up. This is all about your abdominals. So switch them on. Let's make the change that you want. You turned this video on for a reason. It was to make the change, so commit to the cause. 10 seconds. We can do this. I know you are in this with me. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Break there. Next up, you've got them punching sit-ups. And as you punch, press everything that you hate away. 2, 1, go. Down. Punch, punch. I always say when I'm teaching, imagine you're punching someone you don't like in the face. Maybe your husband, boyfriend, wife has annoyed you today. But you don't want to hurt them. Visualize them right now. Keep going. I'd like to say imagine it's your boss, but probably not appropriate. Keep going. Punch. You've got 15 more seconds left to go. Can we take it up a notch? As you roll and lift, really roll through the spine. It's one fluid motion through the spine to protect the vertebrae. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Break there. 15 seconds off. Next up, go killer, plank jacks. Feet round towards the back. Hands under the shoulders, navel in. Feet go backwards. 2, 1, go. Don't forget, if you want that modification, step the feet out, in. That is an option. This one, it will burn your shoulders, it will burn your abs, it will burn your lower body. Basically, it's burning everywhere. Can you give me your final bit of energy left? We don't have long now, literally 2.5 minutes, just under. How high can you get that heart rate? 15 seconds left to go. I want to give up, but I'm not. As the camera recorded me, you're doing it with me. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, I'm close to doing it. Russian twist up next. Remember, modified version, feet stay on the floor. Harder version, feet are lifted. Clasp the hands together, lift up, go. Squeeze, elbows down to the floor. Remember that vision. Your waist is a towel that is soaking wet. You are wringing out the towel, working into your obliques. Great one for really getting you that hourglass figure, working into the side of your body, as well as that top layer of abdominals. Keep going. You can so do this. One more exercise left after this. 10 more seconds. I feel like I'm telling myself I can do it. You've got to reach it with the spine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15 seconds off. Breathe in, breathe out, exhale out. Your body needs oxygen to keep going, so don't hold the breath. We're going for those planks, in and out. 2, 1. Jump in, jump out. In, out. I am dying right now. You can do it. Oh, keep going. Fight through it. This is your final part, your final opportunity. Unless you choose to do another one of my ab workouts to get your waistline changed today. That's why you're all here. You're all here to make a change. So give me 10 more seconds of everything you've got inside. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Well done. Nice deep breath in. Nice deep breath exhale. My heart rate is 170 beats per minute. So I'm definitely in that fat burning zone. Remember to go and drink some water. Otherwise you'll get a little bit of a headache later. So make sure you go and drink some water. Hope you've loved today's fat burning belly exercises. Go back to my homepage if you want more, if you've got more energy left. Absolutely go for it. Get that body you want. See you again next time. Hit subscribe. Bye.